Hello everyone, my name is Alex Atmadi, Technical Manager of Esco, and this is my colleague Jason.
Hi, my name is Jason Schertz. I'm a service engineer at Esco. Today we're going to show you how to put together the support stand that is used on most of our BSCs.
So first we unpack the support stand from the box. You can use cutter knife or a scissor. Okay, then we lift it up. Then we remove the panel. Then we remove the feet of the support stand. To make it easy, it's best to lay the feet on the floor. This is a support stand with leveling feet, so you need to adjust the height to your desired height. Typically, it's 28 inch for working position and 34 or 35 inch for standing position. So first step is to set the desired height of the support stand. And then we are going to place the pin after the desired height is adjusted. So for the STL support stand, the side that has rivet nut or nutsert should be on the inside, and therefore we insert the bolts from the outside. Okay. First, we have to set the height for the leveling feet support stand. For sitting position, typically we set at 28 inch. So that would be the height from top of a stand until the bottom of a stand. Please also include the caster wheel or the leveling feet. So in this case, including the wheel, now this is at 28 inch. So after the height is set, then we will place the pin. So Jason will also set the height on the other stand. Meanwhile, I will start placing the pin here. After we put the bolt here, then we install the flat washer. The flat washer should go first to prevent damage to the metal here. We install the lock washer and we install the bolt. So the idea is when we tighten this bolt, this lock washer will not scratch the stand. And then we put the remaining bolts on the stand. There are 4 of them. All 4 of them must be installed. Again, first is a flat washer, then spring washer, and the bolt. And then we do it on the other side. Please keep in mind that this is telescoping, so just connect it here. Then you can install the bolt here. Again, the bolt should go from outside to inside. After the bolts are installed, then we tighten it up. Use this socket wrench on the bolt. And this is an M8 bolt and M8 socket wrench. And then tighten from the other side. After the bolt is tight, then we put the cap nut to prevent injury of the user's feet, because this edge can be sharp. Then we tighten this cap nut as well. After one side is done, we do the other side. And the side that has a nutsert should be facing inside, because we will use this nutsert to join the 2 feet with the shelf and the back wall. Now we'll put the support stand facing each other. So okay, this is the side that has a nutsert is on the back side, so we'll be facing this way, and then we will also rotate this stand to align with this. Okay, make sure it's stable on the floor, and then we will connect the back wall, or you can connect the shelf first, whichever is easier. Now there are 2 pieces here. One is the back wall and one is the shelf. So the one that is wider, it's the back wall that will be installed here. And please note that this side that has a slot supposed to be on the same side as the caster wheel or leveling feet, because we will use this slot to connect this back wall and the shelf. So first we'll connect the back wall. We will use this shorter bolt to connect the back wall to the feet. So again, take the bolt, take the flat washer and spring washer, and then we'll insert the bolt here into this nutset. Please make sure that you insert the bolt straight, because if the bolt is inserted at an angle, the thread will jam and you won't be able to tighten it properly. Just do hand tight for now, no need to use tools, so you can still adjust it later. Then I'm going to install the other bolt. Again, use a short bolt. First we use the flat washer and the spring washer, and then insert it here. Make sure that the bolt is inserted perpendicular to the nutset so that you can tighten it up properly. It's always easier to put the one on the top to hold the weight, the one on the bottom, and the one on the center should be last. Okay, now the last bolt to connect the back wall. Just do hand tight for now, no need to use tool, so we can adjust it later. After the back wall is connected, then we'll connect the shelf. So the shorter part is the shelf. Okay. The side that has a nutset should be facing back, because we will insert the bolt through this hole to that nutset, and the shelf should be facing this way. Okay, first we insert the bolt from the shelf through the feet using the short bolt. Again, short bolt, flat washer, and spring washer. If you already tightened this bolt earlier, then if you have slight misalignment, that would be hard to move. So please do not tighten this with the wrench yet until all the bolts are installed. Finally, the last bolt. And the last bolt to be inserted is to connect the shelf to the back wall. We insert it from the back here. So use the short bolt. Again, spring washer and flat washer. We insert it from the back here into the nutset here. Now, since we haven't used a wrench yet, we can still slide this panel a bit to get the alignment. Only after all the bolts are inserted, then we use the tool to tighten it up. Remember to also tighten up the screw in here on the shelf. And the screw and the bolt that's connecting the back wall and the shelf. Okay, that's it. Then the stand is finished. Then you just lock the wheel, and then we rotate this stand. And that's it. The stand is finished, and we will put the cabinet on top of the stand.
When lifting the cabinet with the jack, be sure to insert the jack perpendicular to the long side of the cabinet, rather than coming in